Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial lined up for you. We'll be guiding you step by step on how to create a Slow DNS server and set it up on the Netmod VPN app for a fast and secure browsing experience. If you're searching for more hidden tricks about VPNs and online security, make sure to check out our blog for the latest tips and insights. Before we dive in, if you're new here, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It really helps us out and keeps you updated with all the valuable content we have in store. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and type UDP Custom in the search bar. Then hit enter. In the search results, locate the official UDP Custom website and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our Slow DNS server, which will be the backbone of today's setup. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, look for the menu button, usually found in the top corner of the page. Click on it and a list of options will appear. From the menu, select Slow DNS Server. This option will guide us to the server creation process, and you'll be directed to the server location selection page. Next, select your preferred server location from the list available. Choose a location that's either closest to you or offers the best performance based on your needs. Once you've made your selection, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, you'll need to enter your username, solve the CAPTCHA, and then click Create Now. Within a few seconds, your server details will be generated and displayed on the screen. Make sure to take note of these details or copy them, as we'll need them shortly when setting up the Netmod VPN app. Now, let's move on to setting up your Slow DNS server on the Netmod VPN app. Before anything else, ensure you have the latest version of the Netmod VPN app installed on your device. Head over to the Google Play Store, search for Netmod VPN, and install it if you haven't already. Once the installation is complete, open the app. On the Netmod VPN homepage, you'll notice a small plus sign button at the top. Click this button to expand the menu list. From the expanded menu, click on SSH Slow DNS. This will open a new page where you will need to input the data you copied earlier from the UDP Custom website. Paste the server details you copied from the UDP Custom website into the respective fields. You'll also be required to enter the following details. In the Remarks field, write any name of your choice for easy identification. In the DNS field, type or paste 8.8.8.53, which is the Google DNS address. Then, enter the server name, public key, username, and password accordingly in their respective fields. Once all the data has been entered correctly, save the configuration by clicking the button in the upper right corner of the screen. If everything is added successfully, you'll see the new configuration appear in your list of profiles. Now, all that's left to do is click the play button at the bottom of the screen to connect. You should now be successfully connected to the Slow DNS server using the Netmod VPN app. And there you have it. You've just set up a Slow DNS server on the Netmod VPN app for a fast and secure browsing experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials like this one. Also, hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future uploads. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.